Hi, my name is Callie Hemmer, and today I will be presenting on Montepulciano. So first, why did I choose this wine? I chose this wine because it was one of the names on the list that I recognized, but I've never had before. And I know that my parents drink this wine a lot, so I was intrigued to try it myself and do my final project on this specific wine. So grapes and geographic locations. It's a red grape grown widely in central Italy and is also grown in Argentina and also the United States. The main wine regions in Italy are Abruzzo, Marche, and Molise regions. Interestingly enough, it is not planted in the Montepulciano region of Tuscany. And similar to other medium-bodied Italian reds like Sangiovese, Nerello, Mascales, and Dolcetto. Sorry if I'm pronouncing those wrongs. And it's the second most planted grape in Italy. And that's what it looks like. So these are the main wine regions and the wines that they produce. And the percentages next are the amount of Montepulciano grapes in them. So most of them are above 50%, closer to 100, which is interesting. And Rosso Conero and Rosso Piceno are very common wines using the Montepulciano grape. And they're actually a higher quality of a wine, but they're less popular because it doesn't have the name of the grape in the name of the wine. So these are three of the most highly rated Montepulciano wines that I found. It's the Trentadue 2017 Old Orchard Estate Montepulciano, which is $34. And that one actually comes from the United States in California. And the second one is the Amido Pepe 2012 Montepulciano d'Abruzzo, which is $160. And that one is from Italy. And the third one that I found is Masciarelli 2015 Villa Gemma Reserva, which is $90, which also comes from central Italy. This is the most expensive one that I found. It's $280, and it comes from the Abruzzo region in Italy, and it's called Azienda Agricola Valentini Montepulciano d'Abruzzo. These are two of the more popular and affordable ones that you can find. If you're going to be drinking Montepulciano, you're most likely going to spend over $20. So anything between that 20 to 50 range is going to be considered affordable. And that these are the Laus Vitae Montepulciano d'Abruzzo and the Maramiro Inferi Montepulciano d'Abruzzo Reserva. And yeah, those both come from central Italy. And a lot of people gave these two wines very high ratings, but they also are affordable. So this is the wine that I will be drinking today. It's called Montefresco Montepulciano d'Abruzzo. And I only spent $9 on this one, but the person at Binny's said that it was pretty good for the price. And I thought this was interesting. This was a little quote from the producer that was on the display talking about the wine. It says, Montefresco, so named for its ideal position on a hill caressed by constant gentle breezes, produces classic wines from pure Italian varieties. Ripe cherry and red plum flavors finish with a hint of sweet spice, a perfect pairing to every pizza or pasta dish. So I'm intrigued by this and what sweet spice means. I'm not sure, but I guess we will find out. So now I'm going to try it. And this is a real-time, first time trying it. So let's see. Yeah, it's pretty good. It has a medium body. I'm definitely getting those red fruits, the red plum, the boysenberry is really coming through. Um, and the textbook mentioned that you could get some flavors of tar. And I'm also just realizing that I forgot to smell it, so I'm going to do that now. I can definitely smell the alcohol. Um, it smells, yeah, I'm just getting those red fruits, the red plum and the cherry, and definitely that boysenberry is coming through. Um, I'm gonna take another sip and look for that tar. I'm not really quite sure what tar is supposed to taste like, so I am not tasting that, but it is high in tannins. I get that, and high in acidity. And this specific bottle is medium in alcohol at 13%. And upon doing some research, um, a lot of foods that this wine goes well with are hearty, savory dishes, beef brisket, hamburgers, beef bolognese, tagliatelle, ragu, high protein pizzas, and smoked or barbecued meats. So, this is pretty common for a red wine to be paired with the main course or the meats, the steaks, the beef. Yeah, and after this video, I'm going to definitely try it with some of these items listed here. But yeah, that is my presentation on Montepulciano. So thank you.